northern St. Andrews. Now here the spider's web enhances the spider's ability to locate its meal. And another point is that it's a species of orb web spider which is native to Australia. So today we will discuss species in news. First, sea cucumbers are echinoderms, right? They are marine animals found on the sea floor. Now, greatest number being found in Asia Pacific region. Sea cucumbers are useful for a marine ecosystem as a detritivores. That means these are ones who help recycle the nutrients, break down detritus and other organic matter. Here the naked mole rat, also known as the sand puppy, is a burrowing rodent native to Horn of Africa and other parts of Kenya and Somalia regions. Right, it is regarding distribution. And now another feature is that they can thrive in harsh underground environment. So it is their ability. And also this animal is remarkably known for its longevity and resistance to cancer and oxygen deprivation. Very important point regarding these. Parasitoid lays their egg on their bodies of other arthropods. So what happens because of this? Sooner it causes the death of those horses. Now, parasitic wasps can be used for pest control because of this ability to destroy the other host. Now it's regarding chimpanzee, also known as chimp. It's a great ape native to forests and savanna of tropical Africa, listed on the IUCN Red List as endangered species. Next one is chimpanzee is an omnivorous frugivore. So these are the points regarding chimpanzee. Ground beetles. No, these beetles are large cosmopolitan family of beetles found in North America and 2,700 in Europe. So these are the diversity of species found in different geographies. Here these beetles are legitimate bioindicators of microplastics. They can be integrated into, because of this ability, into biomonitoring programs for cost effective way to assess the microplastic contamination in a location. Sometimes scientists cannot distinguish between microplastics and fibers in soil mixture. So this is where these ground beetles can help. Now here IUCN National Parks on significant concern list. Here the IUCN has put the Western Ghats and other two national parks in India on its listing of ailing natural World Heritage sites across Asia. And the two protected areas with an outlook of significant concern are Assam's Manas National Park, Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. So these are the trans-border national parks which are extended to Bhutan and Bangladesh. My next point is that 4 out of the 32 Asian sites in the category of good but with some concerns are in India. These are the Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area, Kaziranga National Park, Colorado National Park, Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks. Indian wolf is a subspecies of grey wolf, ranges from Southwest Asia to the Indian subcontinent, right? Now here most important things are the Indian wolf vocalization includes howls, howl barks, whimper, social sequels, and whines with howls an average fundamental frequency of 422 Hz and whines of 906 Hz. So this is the behavior pattern of Indian wolf. Indian wolf are nocturnal, means they are active during night time. IUCN Red List now classifies this rare canine as vulnerable and Indian wolf as the oldest living lineage of any wolf in the world. So these all are the important points regarding Indian wolf. Woodpeckers found worldwide except Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand, Madagascar and extreme polar regions. Now here 99.7% of the energy generated in picking is stored in the form of strain energy. It is distributed throughout the bird's body and only a small fraction of the energy goes to the brain. So you might have thinking that if it ticks on the wood, it should hurt its skull. So this is what the science behind is, where it distributes its energy so that there is minimal any kind of injury or anything. PUTHTHALAM is an Indian state of Tamil Nadu. So it is lies between Manukudi estuary and the Indian Ocean, and the estuary is famous for its biodiversity and migrating birds. So this PUTHTHALAM is actually estuary, right? Snow leopard species is native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia, listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Its vocalization includes mewing, grunting, pristine, moaning, and they can fur when exhaling. So very important points regarding snow leopard's behavior. In Nepal's Poskundo National Park, the home ranges mainly. Here the DNA-based synchronous estimation of elephants, where the Wildlife Institute of India released first ever DNA-based synchronous estimation of elephants finding, where Karnataka, Assam, Tamil Nadu accounts for 59.29% of the estimated elephants. Here, very interesting thing. Seals, birds under threat in new red list of endangered species. There are some changes in status quo of species. Let's discuss. According to IUCN, Arctic seals and birds are increasing threat. So this is under the category of under the threat. Now we're changing the status of the hooded seal from vulnerable to endangered, while bearded and harp seals are now classified as near threatened. If this is the classification status quo changes of these species, now the another thing is that green turtle is no longer endangered. This is an update regarding These species status quo changes. Great crested tern, and it is called crested tern also. It nests in dense colonies on coastal lines and islands in the tropical and subtropical Old World. So this is an important point regarding this great crested tern. So this greater crested tern scientific name is Thalasus bergi. So sometimes they can give this scientific name, and in the column they have give you that it is whether it is bird or reptile or something, you have to identify. Drawida karatala, a scientist actually discovered the new species of earthworm in Ranipuram forest region of Kasaragod district. Here the species actually named Drawida karatala. So when if it is asked regarding Drawida karatala, it is a species of earthworm. Another St. Andrews. Here spider web enhances the spider's ability to locate its meal. The main function or main use of spider web is to help spider to locate its meal, right? And Argiope radon is a species of orb web spider which is native to Australia.